So what is apoptosis? Apoptosis is a Greek word meaning falling off. If cells are no longer needed, they commit suicide by activating an intracellular death program. A cell that undergoes apoptosis dies neatly without damaging its neighbors. So apoptosis is a form of programmed cell death or cellular suicide. It is different from necrosis, in which a cell dies due to injury. Apoptosis is an orderly process in which a cell's contents are packaged into small packets of membrane for garbage collection by our immune system. Apoptosis removes cells during development, eliminates potentially cancerous and virus-infected cells, and maintains balance in the body. Certain pathogens have also developed ways in which to hijack these processes. The Caspase Cascade is a series of steps that results in the self-destruction or apoptosis of the cell when it's not needed. The executioner gene, Caspase 3, and BCL2, an apoptosis regulator, are two key genes involved with regulation of apoptosis. Cell death plays an important role in regulation of inflammation and may be the result of inflammation itself. The maintenance of tissue homeostasis necessitates both the recognition and removal of invading pathogens, as well as the clearance of dying cells. The principal event that leads to inflammatory disease is cell damage, induced by a myriad of environmental factors. Cell damage means leakage of cell contents into the adjacent tissue. Neutrophil apoptosis may represent an important event in the control of inflammation. The removal of neutrophils from the inflammatory site is of paramount importance for the cessation of inflammation. In host defense, programmed cell death can act in a protective manner. The death of infected cells may reduce infections, separate uninfected neighboring cells, and alert the host through danger signals and inflammatory mediators. Viruses are master molecular manipulators and have evolved to thrive and survive in all species. Key to their continued success has been the ability to subvert host cell defense systems to ensure viral survival and replication. Amongst the diverse arsenal of defense mechanisms deployed by multicellular hosts are those that rely on rapid activation of programmed cell death in order to trigger premature cell death of infected host cells. Apoptosis of an infected host cell has been identified as a powerful mechanism to curtail viral spread, and consequently, these viruses, as smart as they are, have evolved sophisticated molecular strategies to subvert these host cell defenses. Reverse effects supports apoptosis by providing key phytonutrients in the form of licorice root, Prunella vulgaris, otherwise known as self-heal, to which the Chinese have stated changes the course of chronic disease, and vinpocetine.